Hey, it's Eleni from MakeWithEleni, and I'm going to do an unboxing today on these amazing lashes. So we're going to test it out together. I have it right here, and I'm kind of excited. But before I kind of get into this, I want to be able to talk about my skin really quick so you can see there's a difference between makeup and there's a difference between your face and texture. So you always have to remember, if you see a photo in a magazine, if you see an image on TV, you might see it to be so perfect. And here on Instagram, as you scroll, you'll see photos that are so perfect, and it gives you a idea of what beauty is per se, and it tells you that it is perfection. It looks like this. But let me tell you, let me be very transparent with you and tell you, a lot of times they do an enormous amount of photoshopping and color correction and high def photos. They take a photo and it could be raw, beautiful photography, okay, of a model, of makeup, whatever it may be. They change the lighting. They do Photoshop features to make a nose slimmer, to make a jawline slimmer and smaller, take it in, make the ears go back, make the eyebrow lift. There's so many things. So when you scroll on Instagram or Facebook, just know that what you are seeing is not always what is the reality. So with MakeWithEleni, I always just want to be really upfront with you. Hi, thanks for jumping on. I always want to be really upfront with you and let you know, we have raw beauty, we enhance natural beauty, and then we have high def Photoshop, editorial photos, TV, movie, and that is not real, okay? So we're right here, and we can stay here, we can go in the middle, or we can go high def, and high def is not real life. So I just wanted to let you know. So moving right along in this unboxing, I'm really excited. It's called Juvenaé. I want to say this is a French word. And let's see, health, beauty, and lifestyle. So I'm all about trying new products at MakeWithEleni. I am not one brand specific. My whole idea is to really just bring a lot of products to you and kind of show you, are they awesome? Do they work? I don't know. Let's try it out. And we're gonna get right into it. So these are lashes, and I'm a huge fan of lashes. I'm a huge fan of mascara. So let's see what this is. So this is a little card, tells you how to apply. And we're gonna go ahead and do that today. This is what the box looks like. Very simple for a new company. This reminds me of Easter baskets. So we're gonna get into this little Easter basket. And let's see. Oh, here we go. We have a little letter. That's cool. I'm not going to really get into it. I'm going to just get into the products because we want to test the products out. Okay, so here we go. This is the lashes. And as you can see, I have some simple basic makeup on. So we're going to really have some fun with some lashes today. And we're going to test this out. They have a new, let's say, technology. It's called Juvenaé Flawless Adhesive Eyeliner. And it's clear. So I'm really excited about this because when you apply a typical, let's go with one of my favorite brands, Ardell lashes, you can go ahead and apply them with the famous Duo adhesive. You can get it in black, in clear, and it is a adhesive that gets tacky, and then it really just sticks and blends with your natural lashes. So we're gonna get into this. It says shake well before use, apply 2 layers of adhesive eyeliner onto your eyelid and let it dry for a few seconds. Same idea as Duo, I would say, because you wanna let it dry for a few moments so it gets tacky. And it says add additional liner to the inner and outer corners for a stronger hold to prevent lifting. And then step 2, we're totally gonna do this. Apply your favorite Juvenaé lash directly on top of the tacky eyeliner, keywords, and gently press to secure lash band. Okay, look at this. This is really pretty. This reminds me of a fancy pen. So let's open it, and ooh, this is interesting. This reminds me of that simple brightening concealer that you can get at the drugstore that you would just literally paint on. If I can just think off of the top of my head, one that I remember really loving, I think was by L'Oreal. Yeah, I could totally remember using that. And then this is the lash called Iris. Yeah, Iris. So we're gonna get into this and we're gonna put them on. So excited. Thanks so much for joining. Thanks for jumping on today as we try this Juvenaé lash. Okay, these are really pretty. Look. So pretty. Okay, so we're gonna follow the directions. Remove lash from the tray by gently pulling from the outside corner to the inside. Measure lash by holding to your eye and trim the excess. I am not a huge fan of trimming lashes unless I absolutely need to. So we are going to get something simple and basic, a tweezer. I'm going to go ahead and ever so gently grab the band and slightly pull it off like this. And then I am going to take the lash. Look at how beautiful this is. They're very lightweight. You can definitely see there's a band. So let's see. And I like to take it up to my lash and essentially measure it and match it up just like that. And boom, I don't even have to cut them because it's gonna fit my almond shaped eyes. Now, if your eyes tend to be smaller, you're definitely gonna wanna cut them because you need them to be able to fit. Okay, I like this. Hi, we're trying a new lash today. It's called Juvenaé, and we're testing it out. It has a clear adhesive. So we're gonna follow the rules as it says. It says shake. Okay, so there's like a ball in there similar to like a spray paint kind of vibe. Spray paint and eyelash adhesive, kind of scary. But shake the Flawless Adhesive Eyeliner Pen, pop the top off and apply 2 or 3 strokes right above the natural lash line. So we're gonna totally do that and then apply the lash quickly. No time is needed to dry. Okay, well that sounded kind of like contradicting information because on the first card it says wait for it to get tacky. But hey, we're gonna test this out. New product alert on the market. I gotta bring it to you. Okay, so I'm gonna open it and we're gonna get in here and it says take it and put the lash adhesive across the natural lash line just like so. This is going to be very interesting, guys. This is like first time trying it here, so I'm just like applying it as if I was putting on eyeliner. And to be real transparent, my face is up in your face, real super close. There's no filters here, people. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to just make sure my corners are really nicely packed with the adhesive so I don't have any lifting. Okay, so far it feels good. Like, it doesn't feel weird. It doesn't feel sticky. My eyes still open. I'm going to take the iris lash. And this is hard to look into the camera and do it. Usually I'll have a mirror, so we're just going to go with it. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the corners and just really press them down with my own lash. And just really, so I have that seamless connection between my lashes and the lash strip. And as you can see, like, people can get fancy with putting on lashes with like a little applicator. In my opinion, I don't need to do all that. I just know what to do and I just do it. So there we go. Wow, I'm kind of impressed right there. And I can feel like the glue is kind of like, I want to say maybe shrinking or obviously drying, because I feel like more of a tightness like on my lash line. Nothing super heavy, nothing where it's like in my eyes, nothing restricting, which is really cool. So hello, that's like night and day difference right there. And then I can go in with like black eyeliner and do any touch-ups that I want. We have one eye going so far. So I can pop in here and I can do some tight lining on the lower lash line. And this is a cream eyeliner pencil. And just make those eyes pop. And then I can go up here to the upper lash line, that waterline, and I just drag it like so. And what it does is it's called tight lining. It just really makes your eyes pop. You can do different colors. You can do it with or with lashes. It doesn't matter. But it really, really changes the vibe of your eyes to be like, hello, let's smize. See, get that cat eye going. Okay, you guys, I'm really impressed with this. This is some good stuff. Juvenaé. I think that they have like a discount code or something where you can get it at an affordable price. I will find out. This is all brand new. So I just wanted to do that quick little one for you. And we'll take the spoolie. And I didn't put any mascara on. And I'm going to take my own lash right there now that it's dried. And I'm going to blend it. Just like so. So my lashes actually blend with the iris lash. And I'm like really excited right now. This is so cool. How simple was that? Eyeliner, quick clear adhesive with Juvenaé pen. It's an adhesive pen and it's pretty. It has sparkles. Ooh, this is good. This is very good. Okay, so I'm going to do the other one off camera. If you guys have any questions, you want me to point you in the direction of where you can get it, let me know. Thanks for tuning in today at Makeup with Eleni, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.